Hello student, good morning. In previous video, we have seen importance of transportations. Okay, in previous video, we have seen all the information about transportations. Today we have to see information about communications. Page number 85. Like transportations, communication is also basic infrastructure. Just like a transportation, it is also an important communication is an important factor, very basic infrastructure. Communications are exchange of information is an important process today's era. So all of you knows it is very important factor for all of us. Just like a transportation, communication also become a one part of one important part or factor in our lives in today's era. So okay, so page number 85. Okay, there are some questions. Okay, these questions you have to solve by discussing. Okay, first question is, make a list of various means of communications you are aware of. Okay, you can give the answer. Next point, how many of these do you actually use? Make a box around them. Next is, for what do you use them? And last question is, who use the remaining means? So all these, okay, these questions are just means one activity for you. In today's modern age, man-made satellites are important and effective means of communications. You know, satellites. So in the modern age, all of you know, we are living in modern age. We are living in modern age, in computer era. So man-made satellite are an important and effective means of communications, because all of you knows the man-made satellite are fixed, okay, and they work, okay, they work very effective, okay, very good. The exchange of messages through the mobiles, watching programs on TV, getting updated information regarding climate conditions, etc. is possible stimulously through the man-made satellite. So all the information, okay, we can collect, okay, by man-made satellite. For example, suppose in our India, okay, from our India we are seeing the one-day match. Okay, we are seeing the one-day match, and it is in USA, or you can see in Brazil. In Brazil, okay, there is a one-day match is going on, and we are seeing at our home. Okay, how it is possible? It is due to the man-made satellite. Okay, weather, okay, climate conditions, okay, different type of programs, TV, serial, okay, news, okay, all these informations, okay, we get due to the man-made satellite. Satellite image obtained by remote sensing facilitates study of resource on the Earth's surface and help in the regional planning. So okay, all these informations or all these man-made satellite is possible for us due to the remote sensing. Now, what is meant by remote sensing? Remote sensing means get a knowledge or get a, you can say, information without actual visit, without actual visit. Okay, we get all this information without actual visit. That's why all these things, okay, collect total information. Who collect? Man-made satellite. In this age, internet and social media, everyone need to use these systems. So okay, all this in the modern age or computer era, in this age of internet and social media, okay, they use this remote sensing, this man-made satellite, okay, and they collect all these informations, okay, and they distribute on their channels, okay, in this way. The government of India is incentive the use of online trading, payment, money transfers. Okay, nowadays our government India, okay, they are using different type of modern method. For example, online trading, payment, money transfer, as well as many apps which can be used on mobile phone have been developed. So all of you know, okay, all of your familiars, okay, you have, I know you have deep knowledge about the mobile, Okay, I know you are very active, you are very, you can say intelligent about the mobile. Okay, there are so many apps are there. So with the help of apps, okay, we can collect different type of informations, okay, on the internet. For example, Bhim app, SBI, anywhere, etc. Through these communicational facilities, we can pay various bill, sell, buy, carry on such transactions. So through this map, okay, we can buy, unlike trading, okay, we can buy different type of things, or we can purchase our things also, our goods, our commodities. Okay, we can sell or carry or various type of bill also we can pay through the mobile, through that apps. So these apps are very important. For example, Bhim's app, SBI, or there are so many apps, okay, you know very well. So means what I am telling you, in the era of communications, in the age of internet, okay, our life is become too much easier, because nowadays, by sitting in our home, okay, we can do, okay, all these things are any things with the help of our Android mobile, just like online shopping, okay, online tradings, okay, payment, money transfer, okay, or transaction, okay, all these things you can do. Okay, in this way, dear students, I am telling you, this computer era, okay, our life is become totally comfortable, easier. Okay, so nowadays human means everyone, not human being, everyone want to live, or everyone want to, we can say, satisfy their basic need. Okay, they fulfill their need. So all these people are nowadays, they are using all these apps, okay, mobiles, and they satisfy their basic need. So dear student, next point we will see in next video.